Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Man Matters Multivitamin Gummies. To get started, simply take one gummy each day. Make sure to chew it thoroughly before swallowing to ensure proper absorption. Consistency is key, so try to incorporate it into your daily routine for the best possible results. It's a simple step towards supporting your overall well-being. For the best absorption and to minimize any potential stomach upset, it's recommended to take your multivitamin gummy with a meal. Establishing a consistent time each day, perhaps with breakfast or lunch, can help you remember your daily dose. Remember, sticking to the recommended one gummy per day is important for safety and effectiveness. Proper storage is crucial to maintain the quality and effectiveness of your gummies. Always store them in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and heat. After taking your gummy, make sure to tightly seal the container. Most importantly, keep these gummies safely out of reach of children to prevent accidental consumption. By consistently taking your Man Matters multivitamin gummies, you are supporting your overall health and well-being. These gummies provide essential vitamins and minerals that your body needs. While individual results vary, many people begin to notice improvements in their energy levels and general vitality after a few weeks of regular use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.